Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering the headset and your phone. Put the Razer headset into pairing mode. Hold the power/Bluetooth button until the LED flashes. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and keep the screen on so pairing doesn't time out. Make sure the headset has at least some charge so connection stability is maintained. Low battery can drop pairing. Also disable other nearby Bluetooth devices to reduce interference and speed discovery. Once the LED is flashing, move to the next step. You should now see the Razer headset appear in your phone's device list. Tap it to pair. If the phone prompts for a PIN, accept the default or enter 0000/1234 depending on the model. This secures the link. After pairing, make sure the headset is selected for both media and call audio in the Bluetooth device details so music and voice route correctly. If prompted, grant microphone and contact access so voice chat and calls work. Once configured, test audio playback and a quick voice call. You finish by verifying stable audio and microphone function, play a track and make a short call. If something fails, reboot the phone and power cycle the headset. This clears temporary Bluetooth caches. If that does not help, reset the headset to factory pairing mode and repeat the steps. This removes old device bindings that block new pairings. Also make sure your phone's OS and any Razer companion app or firmware are up to date, since software mismatches can prevent clean connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.